Hello. I'm really nervous. You guys don't generally see me get nervous, right? This for me is massive, and I'm just like, I have been putting this off because I don't know that I'm mentally prepared for what's going to happen. I know this sounds stupid and it sounds like I'm building stuff up, but it's not. I apologise for the squeaky chair. I really just don't know what to do about the squeaky chair anymore. So I just ignore it. So hopefully you can ignore the squeaky chair, and I'll try and sit as still as possible. Alright, so the big announcement is, you know how you can buy those sprinkle sheets, but you also know how a lot of you don't buy them because you just couldn't be asked making the sprinkles. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I am making them for you. I've been working on this for quite some time now, months, and it's hard work, but it's so good. I'm going to sit over here, which is a bit weird, but I'm going to sit over here, and I'm going to show you some things here. I don't know how much time I need to show you things here. I don't even know if I can show you things here. But I filmed a little bit of what I've made so far, and I have lots and lots of photos. But I am super excited. Now these are made from cold process. If in case you don't know, because you might not know, these are made from cold process soap, not melt and pour, so they won't sweat, they won't melt. They're not made out of any food products, so they're not going to attract cockroaches or ants or anything like that. They're just made out of cold process soap. They are made from coconut oil and palm oil. I have a few here to show you. I'm still sitting over here in case I want to show shit over here. Otherwise, you're just going to have to look at me being off balance. Oh my God. Can you hear that chair? I don't even know if you can hear the chair. So, I have made the rainbow minus red because red. Right? Red. So we have orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, purple. I have also done white, silver, and gold. Not every shape has every colour. I've also made some blends, but not every shape has blends. I've made what I could make in I have literally, no, can't say literally haven't stopped, because I have stopped and I have slept. So, but I have been working on these non-stop for 2 months. So what is in the store is what is available. I am continually making these. I don't plan on stopping because I wouldn't announce them to the world if I was planning on stopping. So yeah, so there may be more shapes in the future. I do plan on that. For now, I have gone with circles, stars, hearts, flowers, and sakura or cherry blossoms for people who don't know what sakura mean. Because I just figured that they were the most likely shapes. I'm currently working on hexagons because hexagons look really, really nice and have, because of the shape of them, they have like a sparkle that the circles don't seem to have. I think it's just because, you know, they've got more of that straight edge, so they kind of pick up the light in a different way. So I'm really liking those. So I've printed out a whole bunch of sprinkle sheets to make those. There's 3 blends. We have the rainbow blend, which is, you'll have to go to the store to have a look because I can't remember who does what now. The citrus blend, I have white gold, which is white flowers with gold confetti, the smallest confetti of all. I think that's it. I wanted to show you the gold in real life, because photos really don't do this justice. So looking at the photos on the website, and it's like, ugh. But because the way that I edit photos, I have a tendency to blow out the light, and it takes a lot of the sheen off them. But they are simply beautiful. I'm in love with the metallics. I don't know if you can just see how sparkly these are. And this is the no, gold and silver. That was it. Yeah. So we have flowers. Stars. Did I not bring any hearts out? Oh, you know, there's hearts in the... There's also different sizes in these. The confetti are small, medium, large and extra large. Stars are large and extra large. I actually have a sheet here next to me. Hearts are in medium, large and extra large. Flowers are just the one size, unless there is a request for a bigger size. I thought that was, that's 10 mil. And hearts, sakura, again, I didn't bring any in with me. I don't know why I didn't bring any of them. They're my favourites. I didn't bring any of those in with me. They're the same size as the flowers. I also have a couple of bento boxes. Now, I don't know if I will continue these once. I only have 10. I don't have 10 in stock. I've got raindrops downstairs waiting to be popped. I like the idea of these. What it is they're based on a theme. There's still the same, there's about the same amount of sprinkles in these as there is in a bottle, right? But what it is this has 2 lots of grey clouds, 2 lots of raindrops. So you have small clouds and small raindrops, large clouds and large raindrops, and then lightning bolts. So if you were doing a themed soap, you would have everything you need just in one of these, rather than buying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bottles of sprinkles. And then that is Stormy Skies, and then this one is called Cloudy Days. So it has, again, 2 size clouds, 2 size raindrops, and then this has 2 different size suns. So it's more like a cloudy day. Yeah, but I only have 10 of these containers, so I will probably only just do 5 each of those, and I'll see how they go. If they are popular, then we might look at doing maybe like a garden one that's got different flowers and some leaves and stuff like that. That's more down the road. This is an introduction. This is what I've done. This is what I've been hinting at for the last 2 months, that I've been working so hard and I don't have time to do anything. This is what I've been doing. So they're all in the store, ready to go right now. So there's not a lot of stock. There's some things only have 1 bottle, some have 7 bottles. That's not many. I don't think any have 7 bottles. I think 6 is probably the maximum. Most things have 2 or 3. So if you don't want to miss out, you need to get in. You need to get them now. Like I said, I will be making more, but stock is always going to be small because I am just one human being. Human being. I'm just going to put that on the screen there, right there. I don't know. I'm not a director or a filmographer of any sort. So the bottles are $11.95. The bentos are $13.95. Now, while they hold the same amount, the reason that these are a little bit more expensive is because you are getting a whole different... Like, if you had to buy this to make this, you would have to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'd have to buy 6 bottles, right? Whereas, You don't have to in this. You only have to wear one. Anyway, that's me justifying. I don't know why I'm justifying. I know I'm justifying. How long have we been going? 10 minutes already. All right. Well, I'm going to leave it at that. And thank you for loving or hating this. Look, as long as I get, I don't even know, I was going to say as long as I get some feedback, but that, it doesn't even make any sense. I hope you like them. I have been working very hard. I've been having a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying it. I actually got to sit downstairs with my youngest the other day, and he did some work and I did some work, and it was nice. We had a bit of a chat. I listened to his depressing rap music. And I didn't make him listen to any K-pop. I'm such a good mum. Yeah, so it's been a good journey so far. I'm really looking forward to seeing where this takes me. For me, this is I'm super proud of this because these don't exist anywhere in the world. This is a new thing. To me, this is huge. Like, I don't know. I just think it's huge. Anyway, I'm just going to shut up now and stop waffling. So this is the thing. Australians have this real thing about, we don't like anyone who gets too successful or too cocky. So whenever I get like really proud of myself or something, I tend to sort of reel it back in, just because that's kind of just like the Aussie way, I guess, tall poppy syndrome it's called. So yeah, so I'm trying not to get too big for my boots, but I'm very excited. I'm very proud of myself, and I think I've done a good job. So hopefully you guys think so too. Right, and on that note, I'm going to now go and see if I can edit some things in here, like a fancy ass filmographer. Was that what I said? Videographer? Like a fancy pants. Okay. Have a lovely day. Bye.